Hey friends, it's Mike. I'm back with another project guitar. This one is interesting. It is a Echophone. E-C-H-O-P-H-O-N-E. Echophone. Now I looked on the internet and I really couldn't find anything about Echophone guitars, but I did find that they were an electronics company going back into the 1960s, 50s and 60s. So I'll do a little more homework on that and I'll put a link down below. So it looks like they jumped into the guitar game back in the 1960s, and if I had to date this, and again it's a little tough because there's no information on the guitar, or any Echophone guitars for that matter, so I'm going to have to take a guess based upon the Univox and the Electra that I built. It's probably late 60s, and so you can see here how it's designed. The pots work, they're scratchy, so I'll have to clean them up with some deoxit. This is the pickup selector, so this is the neck, this is the bridge, and I'm not really sure what this does. I see an R and an S, so not until I string her up will I be able to really tell what this switch does, but I'll figure it out. Okay, so it's got the trem bar, vibrato, and going to have to tighten it up a little bit here. It is very dirty, so I'm going to have to clean it up. There is a ding here, but for a guitar that's 50 years old, that should be expected. Okay, here's the bridge. Unlike the other ones, which were floating bridges, this one is actually fastened to the guitar. This is the typical pickups that came out of the made in Japan guitars in the late 60s, early 70s. The neck is in nice shape. There's no cracks. I will wind up having to pull the frets. They do have fret wear. Hopefully this will go into focus so you can see it. And I'll re-radius the fretboard. I haven't taken a look at it yet. I'm assuming it's 7 1/4. Turn around. Let's take a look. The neck looks good. There's no real dings on it. We have a little spot here. There are the tuners. I'll pull them out and clean them up. Put some grease in the gear here on each one of the tuners. There is it says Japan here. I don't know if you can make that out. One of the reasons why I like this guitar is because it's not a bolt-on. So that's interesting. Alright, it's got a little stress crack here. It's not in the wood, it's in the finish. And actually a lot of guitars you buy today will get that as well over time. So all in all, for a guitar that's around 50 years old or so, older, she's in nice shape. So I'll be putting her together, and as I always do, I'll film the progress, and you guys can take a look at how she starts and then how she ends. Okay, so that's it for this intro on this guitar. Again, it's a Echophone. Anybody that has any information on the guitar, please feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. That would be appreciated. Okay? Alright guys and gals, talk to you soon, and we'll be back with another update.